Good evening, friends. This is Tomal once again. Welcome to PRCOMP. The official website is prccump.org.in, and today's session is regarding insertion of column within columns. Like, suppose here I have particular 67, 89, 87, 56, 86, 34, 34, 54, 23. Now suppose, friends, my requirement is in such a way that I have to um, adjust one new column within this DENF. What I have to do, right click, see this insert come. As this insert come, you click here. Okay, if you want to create here, similarly click insert here, and the column is get automatically inserted. So in this way we insert column within row or within a group of columns. So this is regarding the session insertion of columns within columns. So this is all over for the session. I am Tomaldas representing PRCOMP. Official website is prccump.org.in. Email is dastomal6@gmail.com. Call is 8420879158, as well as my email is also the same. So please guys, if you have any query, if you have any suggestion, you are also welcome, and you can call us at any moment. You can also WhatsApp me. Thank you for being with us, and stay there for more updates. Thank you.